Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So, welcome back to the second day of 12 days of tutorials. And for today, I'm going to be using the Sigma x Diana Saldana eyeshadow palette. So, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the Sigma x Diana Saldana eyeshadow palette. I got this during the summer. Sigma was having a sale and I had to snag this up. And yeah, this is her right here. It's like a pink with gold lettering, and same thing with the edges. And the eyeshadow looks something like this. It's pretty neutral with like pops of color, which is so pretty. So this is what I'm going to be using today. So yeah, why don't we just jump in, right? So before that, I just wanted to let you know, per usual, I did my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony to outline them. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Powder in Ebony to fill them in. And then I carved out my eyebrows and primed my lids with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So that's all I have so far. And now we can just jump into the eye tutorial. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but I guess we'll see, right? So first things first, I'm going to grab a blending brush, and actually I think I want to do some type of a sunset type of eye, and for that I want to kind of like pull my eyes like this to give like that cat eye effect. So I'm going to be using tape. I have it on here. Grab 2 pieces of tape, and I'm just gonna place some, I need a mirror, on the eyelids. Alrighty, so now I'm going to get my big jumbo shader brush. This is from Juvia's Place. This is one of their first ever brushes. I brought it in a brush set, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, and I'm gonna go into the shade Inspired, which is this right here, and I'm going to apply that to the arch of the brow bone, and I'm gonna bring it down. Actually, I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. This is gonna help us you know, blends out all the eyeshadows. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Goals, which is this like neutral brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. So from here, from the tape all the way to the inner corner. This is a pretty transition shade for me. Alrighty, so I like that so far. Now I'm gonna go into a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade, I think I want to go into Good Vibes, which is this shade right here. It's like a dusty purple. So I'm going to see how that looks and if it's dark enough. If not, then I'll go into another shade. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go into the shade Coffee, this shade right here, and I'm just going to lightly go over this Good Vibes shade just to deepen it a little bit. Okay. So I like how that's looking. Now I'm going to go in with the shimmers. And for the shimmers, I think I'm going to go into the shade Strength, which is like this, it's like a copper color. And then I'm going to go in the inner corner with Gold Getter. So let's swatch them really fast. So it should look something like this. This red one is Strength. And the yellow one is Gold Getter. So, but before I do that, I always like to apply some type of a glitter glue. So I'm going to use what I have, which is the Pat McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand. And I'm just going to apply this to wherever I have an empty lid, where I don't have any eyeshadow. So like so. Then I'm going to go into the shimmers. I think I want to go into the red Strength first. So I'm going to apply this to the center right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the shade Gold Getter, which is that gold. And I'm just going to apply this to this. Ooh, that's so pretty. To this inner part of the lid. And then, of course, blend it into that Strength shade. Okay, so now I think I'm going to grab a brush just so I can be a little bit more precise. And I'm going to grab my favorite brush for this. This is the Cinch Beauty E.L.F. This brush is really good picking up any like glitter shades, shimmer shades. Highly recommend. So I'm going to, again, grab the Gold Getter, that gold, and just go over it. This gold is so sparkly and very, very pretty. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? So pretty. Okay, now I'm going to turn my brush over and I'm going to go into the shade Strength. And I'm going to try and blend it into that Good Vibes shade. Okay, and now lastly, I'm going to go in again with Good Vibes, which is that dusty purple. And I'm just going to apply a little bit more and bring it into that Strength shade, just so it could blend nicely. Yeah. Now I'm going to go in with my blending brush and I'm going to just tap into Gold. That's the shade we used in the crease. And I'm just going to run it through to make sure everything is blended right here. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. So, so pretty. Oh yeah, I like this. This would have been a fantastic look for Thanksgiving, I think. So yeah, this is what I have going on so far. This time I'm gonna do a wing liner, lashes, do the face, and then I'll come back and show you the final results. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? And this is using the Sigma x Diana Saldana eyeshadow palette. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. But I love. I mean, I wish I would have used this sooner so I can see how beautiful these eyeshadows are. And yeah, I'm really digging this. This is so beautiful. This would have been beautiful for Thanksgiving, but even for Christmas too, because, you know, with the red and the gold, this is pretty. This is really pretty, and it's been a while since I've done like an eye look like this. I don't know. What do you guys think? But yeah, this is the look using this eyeshadow palette. I love it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it as well. And yeah, I'll catch you on my next video. So thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.